strong, reliable support is absolutely essential. But why? Let's break down the key reasons. Because it's not just about looking tidy, it's about maximizing yield, minimizing disease, and protecting your investment of time and care. Tomatoes that lie directly on the ground are vulnerable to soil-borne diseases like blight, wilt, and bacterial spot. They're also more likely to rot from soil moisture. By lifting the plant off the ground, you're helping keep your fruit clean, dry, and healthy. Supporting your tomato plant helps direct its energy upward and into fruit production, not just into growing a tangled mess of stems. A well-supported plant can grow larger fruit because it's physically able to support the weight without collapsing under pressure. Harvesting from a supported tomato plant is faster and gentler. You can see the ripe fruit more clearly, reach it without digging through foliage, and avoid damaging other parts of the plant while picking. As tomatoes grow, the fruit becomes heavier, especially those big heirloom varieties. Unsupported branches can snap under the weight. Supporting your plant protects it from storm damage, heavy winds, and its own success. Think of supporting your tomato plants like giving them a backbone. It's not just about keeping them upright, it's about giving them the structure they need to thrive. When tomatoes are supported well, they grow bigger, stay healthier, and reward you with a bountiful harvest. So don't skip the cage, trellis, or stake. Your tomatoes and your future self will thank you. Quick note, I share simple, honest garden tips like this every single week. So if you're dreaming of more tomatoes and fewer gardening headaches, don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join the garden family. It's totally free, super friendly, and always made with love.